So, I'm about to big bash. Big bash her. No, not my monkey.
Not my big bastard.
This is the punks at 2:00. We were very sleep deprived. Yeah, AM. Big
Monkey.
basher.
Monkey, big bastard.
Hold on. Big bash the monkey.
Speed bumps.
Going to my speed bumps. Humans only.
Oh, brave.
My punk is here. Yeah.
Oh, so what are we doing tomorrow?
Tomorrow, we don't know. Yeah, we were gonna do yard work, but it's all nasty and muddy and everything else.
So we'll probably just chill and watch Harry Potter all day.
Because this girl has never seen the Harry Potter movies.
My mom's fault. Ow.
I lost my big bash.
User.
And then, at 5:30, Applebee's with, so far,
high heel shoes.
yeah, we're dressing up. So far, the two of us, Savannah, Matt, Savannah's friend Kayla and her boyfriend Taylor, Brittany and Chelsea,
Ashley?
Ashley and Tiffany, and I still have to call or text Erin and find out. I think that's it.
Maybe kitchen.
And maybe Kitchen. She's got to call Kitchen.
I should do that right now.
You should. And then after Applebee's, going to Storyside B concert. My boys, my loves. I don't know. Oh wait, I think I'm sitting on it.
Ew, your
But. And you have to put that near your ear and your mouth.
enjoy this. You're so mean to me.
Yeah,
You
we-
are mean to me. You are so
Baby, will you be my Caroline? Sing it to the microphone.
baby, will you be my big squeeze?
My boobs.
Your mama boobs.
Well, she kind of helped create them.
True. But my mom created bigger boobs for me.
You suck.
Stop.
What is that?
Big bashing me.
Does he have a...
Oh, God.
Answer your phone.
Yeah, dumbass. Here, leave him a message saying that.
Okay.
It's the goddamn phone.
Let's see that. Hey, you need to answer your damn phone, boy.
I agree. That's how we do in the parks, you know.
Oh, yeah,
gotta like
recording
that.
still.
Dumbass.
Don't wake up the mommy.
Yeah,
I'm
mommy's
sorry.
sleeping right now. Poor mommy, she's exhausted. Ow!
Yeah,
I was trying to be nice.
we didn't get any
That's my
sleep
monkey.
last night.
What the hell are we watching?
I don't know. We didn't get any sleep last night because
No,
my
she
brother's truck broke down. So we went and sat on the side of 295 waiting on stupid tow truck for like 3 hours. We didn't get home till like 5 this morning. Yesterday morning, I guess, because it's 2 this morning. But yeah, so we're tired.
Sucks to be you.
I big bash you.
with you too.
Yeah. So, yeah, Storyside B tomorrow.
Mm-hmm.
And then she's staying the night tomorrow night too.
Yay, I'm excited.
Yeah. My punk.
I feel like the only best friends that never get to hang out constantly.
Other than the whole
Libby.
best friend living in Germany. Libby, we love you.
Yeah, we do.
I want to send this to her and be like, yeah, Libby.
Oh, we need to get a
Like,
recent
yeah.
picture and take
Yes.
pictures tomorrow.
We're gonna
I'm
destroy
too
another
excited,
picture for you.
Libby. And it's gonna be 10 times more prettier. Because, you know, we got you in mind. We got your back, girl.
Yeah, we'll do that. That'll be fun.
Yeah.
You're still here with us, even if you were
Oh,
a couple
yeah.
thousand miles away.
I'm thinking we need to put a little Florida-ness in the picture. You know, get some coconut bras going on. You know, cool skirt.
That'd be awesome.
Just watch out for that, you know. Next exclusive.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. We wish you were here.
Yeah.
It'd be more fun, but we're gonna have fun anyway destroying your picture.
Oh, yeah.
Like always.
And when you get here, we'll just destroy your face. You fingerpaint.
Oh, that's
gotta
gonna be
do that.
fun.
Yeah.
That'll be so much fun.
Although I think we all gotta pitch in on that one.
Yeah.
We all gotta do that.
Okay. We go bye-bye. Bye. Bye.
Oh my god, just put the thing on.